Hello students, welcome to the CTR Club. I hope you're doing well and staying healthy and happy and busy, and hope you're getting a lot of good things accomplished and having many CTR experiences. I sure miss you guys. It's that interaction that we have in the classroom. Nevertheless, today we're going to do a really fun skill. You're going to learn how to embed a Google Slides show presentation into the home page of your electronic portfolio. For example, look at the screen. You'll see the home page of the CTR Club. If I scroll down, you'll see the first post is a slideshow. You're going to be able to end up doing just like this in your electronic portfolio, where you will embed a slideshow into your home page. Now yours will be a different slideshow because it'll be one that you choose that's in your Google account. But it'll end up, this is your finished product, your slideshow right here on your home page as the most recent post. So let's get started. Let's just go ahead, open up your electronic portfolio, and then while you're in your portfolio, let's go to the Google Slides, and you just find the slideshow that you would like to embed. It may be an IDP that you have done or are preparing for, or it may be a slideshow that you have done for one of your classes in the past. Either one will be okay. So you found the slideshow that you want to embed. You've got your your electronic portfolio ready. So let's just go into your electronic portfolio dashboard. You see your dashboard here, and let's go to the new post. You want to click on new post because this is where we want you to embed your Google Slides. And let's name it. We're going to name it this one, but you'll name it whatever you name yours to be. And with this open, let's just go now back to your Google Slides file. This one happens to be True Education. Now let's embed it into your electronic portfolio. We click on File, and from your drop-down menu, we go down to Publish to the Web, because we want to publish this slideshow to the web. Then once you've clicked on Publish to the Web, you'll see Publish to the Web window. Let's click on Embed. And then let's click on both check boxes. 1, Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. And 2, Restart the slideshow after the last slide. Now next, let's click in the coding window. It highlights the code. We right-click and copy. I'm going to copy this code. So now it's been copied. So now let's go back to your post that you want to paste this coding in. We open up your new post, and you'll see two options, Compose and HTML. Let's click the HTML. Now the HTML window is open. Let's right-click in the window and paste. So there you've just pasted the code for your slideshow. Click back on Compose, and there you'll see your slideshow in this post. But look how big it is. Way too big. And that's what usually happens the first time. No problem. Let's just change the pixel dimensions, the length, the height, and the width. We click on HTML. If you scroll across the front line, you see height equals a certain number of pixels. Click to the right, and let's just delete that number, and let's type in, let's see, this height about 300. And then we Scroll on down to the bottom line, you'll see width. This will be the width of your slideshow. This says 1280, too big. Let's just change that 1280 to say 400. So we've made those changes, the height 300, the width 400. Now you can go back and change these dimensions anytime. Let's click on Compose and take a look at it. Now it fits in. That's a lot better. So now let's publish. Publish. And now let's take a view of our home page. You click on View Blog. And here is our home page. We scroll down, and there is your slideshow, the one that we just entered. So you give it a try. You go into your slideshow that you want to embed, go into your electronic portfolio, and go back through this training tape as often as you need to. Try it, and good luck, and you will have fun. Choose the right. Have a beautiful day. We care about you.